Hello, slightly unusual video for us, but quite exciting. We've actually got a product that we are going to test out. So this is called a ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10. It's basically a thermal pen that will allow us to check safely the temperature of cooked products. In this case, we're going to have a little look at some chicken. So, me and Nick, big fans of, well, basically chicken in general, but like chicken and hot sauce just made for each other. Hotwings, or just,
like
rubs and oh, get on all day long. But one of the things with cooking chicken, obviously, and a lot of people are worried about, I know something you've spoken about in the past, is getting it to the right safe temperature. It's a meat that you can't really afford to go under too much. You know, with the way that the world is now, you can actually serve pork like blushing pink, which is something that never really used to be done too much, and obviously beef is a different matter, and same with lamb. But yeah, so chicken, nice and safe. So we're gonna have a look at this now. We've not actually tried this before. No. We've not opened one. It's a really smart looking bit of kit, and we will put pictures up on the screen so you guys can see. Some really nice touches about it. It's waterproof, it's boasting a long battery life, which I really like the idea of. You get an accurate reading within a couple of seconds as well, so 2 to 3 seconds. There are pens on the market that we've used where you'll sort of plunge it into the meat and it just seems to take forever and a day to work out what the temperature is, and it doesn't leave you particularly confident. So when you can get it within a couple of seconds. So this is a beast, man. Look at this. This isn't some flimsy little bit of plastic. So get an instruction manual as well. And also what's very cool is you get a little magnet, like a fridge magnet, and it gives you the safe temperatures for various meats. So it's got chicken on there, so chicken and turkey at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. We're British, so we use everything in centigrades, but we're generally looking around about sort of set up to about 79 degrees. But we're going to follow this exactly, and we're going to put some chicken on in a minute. But really nice weight to it. Let's peel this little tab off. I'm actually going to have a little look and see what it looks like before we even do anything. So, it's a nice bright display as well. So, how hot are you, Nick?
Not that hot.
60, 69, 70. My goodness. You're inflamed. But we'll use this properly in a second. That's a really stylish bit of kit, isn't it? Look at that. That's it's nice weight to it. It's got the little hook. That's quite thought out, so I'm liking that. And the power on and off is nice and simple, so just and it's off. Love it. That's cool. Right, I think we need to go cook some chicken. Let's test this bad boy out and see if it really does what we think it's going to do and help us eat some nice safe food. So what we've done is we've just really kept it simple. We've just taken some chicken drumsticks and a little bit of smoked salt and pepper, and we've put them in the oven for the recommended time by the producer, which is 30 minutes. And then what we've done is we've taken them out. So obviously we'd like a bit more colour on them normally, but we're literally just following instructions precisely to check out the pen. So the pen goes in, and as you can see, the reading is really quick, and it allows us just to be absolutely accurate as well, which is and just know that we're going to be safe. You know, we're going to eat chicken that's A, not overcooked, but also B, not undercooked, and that's the most important bit. So here we are back with our chicken that we've used this beautiful pen with. I must say, it really is impressive. It's a nice bit of kit, isn't it? It's
definitely.
It's chunky, it's waterproof. You can adjust it into Celsius instead of Fahrenheit as well, just by popping off the back, which is great. It's magnetic as well, which is brilliant. But it's one of these tools that it isn't for chefs, just for chefs, if you know what I mean. It's for people that just want to be absolutely sure you're barbecuing and whatnot, and check your sausages and check your chicken. So so ChefsTemp the X10 as they call it is just or FinalTouch X10 more to the point. We like it. So thank you to the guys for sending us this. We've used lots of different pens in our years, but actually this quite genuinely has impressed us. So nicely done. I think we can have a bit of chicken now. Yeah. So good old chicken with a bit of good old wing sauce on the top. Anyway, right. Do you want to get stuck in? Cool. Leave Nick to it. Right. See you on another video.